so hot. I gotta try to find something here. As much as we use the glow plugs in Florida here, it is stopping me from using my remote start, so it's gotta go. On our way to go pick up a glow plug. We're gonna do one singular one because we'll give it a shot before we do all 8. Here we are. Yeah. Successful. Not only did they have what I needed, they had 8 of them. They said you can have your pick of any. I said I'm gonna adopt this one specifically. Now it is best practice to replace all 8 at once. Something about resistance or I don't know, electrodigital magic within this little pen sized look at this guy. That's it. That's what's causing my problem. Diesel community, we need glow plug pens. Now I'm gonna replace the one. It is best practice to replace all 8. I will probably regret that later. What else would you want to do on a Sunday? I can't think of anything better. Anybody else get nervous when you're pulling out onto a road? Like you look both ways 4 or 5 times a piece, but still you're like, did I miss something? There's a small leaf here in the corner. It's Mother Nature. She's fine. We're gonna leave her there. But we need a plethora of tools to get this fender liner out. It doesn't matter. This is not an instructional video. Did I grab the Oh, don't you love that when you grab it just by guess on the first try? There you have it. We'll speed this along now, but that's just the beauty of it. Really should grab the Toolkeeper-O-Matic 5000. Where are you? Found it. Now, if you guys don't have one of these, they don't work very well on plastic parts, but they do for metal parts. It is toasty out here. And I think to myself, Steve, why do you have pants on in the heat? Well, whatever, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I think somewhere there's a better tool for what I'm trying to do. I just don't have it. I'm gonna sit here and think about it though. Like a plier that out of there. Oh, it's painful. Yes. It's so hot. I gotta try to find something here. Oh, side cuts of the Chinese variety. That's gonna be what we use because we can't find anything better. You know what's even more fun than taking those out is putting them back in. That's God's truth. You can take that to the bank. Through hard work and dedication, we're going to get this thing off. It's not where I want it to be, but I sure know where it's at. Oh, man. I remember these not wanting to come out last time. Say, Steve, you get an electric screwdriver there, bud. You're preaching to the choir. Oh, man, I'm going to be sweating. She's getting there. Okay. We'll try that when you guys aren't looking. This might be one of those screws that gets forgotten. Sure. You know what would really help? The right tool for the job. Oh, it did work though. It begs you to question, was it actually the right tool for the job? Maybe. This will be the right tool for the job. The job that I pretty much finished doing using the wrong tool, but will complete using the correct one. You're about to see it. That's not it. That is almost it. That might be our guy, and that one's too big. So that's what I'm talking about. Just bring all of your available tools to every job and just scatter them everywhere. That way, when you are complete, you still have another hours left of cleanup. Ugh, that is a lot easier than what I was doing. Thanks for that. Oh, it's not all the way out. I thought it was. The right thing to do would to be get under there, take it all out completely. I don't need to. I don't want to. It is hot. All right, so the guy we're really after is this one. It goes in order of greater than 0, less than 4, or plus 1, almost 8, in that order. What size socket do you think that may be? Because first we got to get there's a round strap on it. We got to get off. I'll tell you what, it's bigger than 7. Bigger than 7, that's what it is. Oh, yeah. Don't do this job in a gravel driveway. Do disconnect your battery before you do it. That's just good practice. Taking that guy out. That can be a little scary, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh man, just get it right on the first try. Save yourself the hassle. Okay, if it's not readily available to you, just, you know, keep getting extensions out until it's right in your face. I really hope this is cylinder 5. I've checked, and checked again. In my brain, it says, you are definitely on like cylinder 6. Now, you want to be gentle with these things because if you break one off in the block, I mean, the check engine light you have will be the least of your worries. Or sell the truck. Get rid of it completely. Go buy a Ford or a Dodge. Yes, I can. I will say, as much as this video is not intended to be a how-to for the spark plug or glow plugs on these things, peep them out. Check out the new part. Make sure it looks like the old one. Or if it's your first time, you might just toss your glow plug under your truck, figure out that you got a glow plug for a power stroke, and then now you're in a bad spot. So you got your glow plug, right? Put it in the hole. If it doesn't go in, spit on it. Do not over torque these things. You will ruin your day. You know what? We're just gonna give her, snug and then collect. It's almost like taking it apart just backwards. Fish that guy back on there. If you can't see it with your eyeballs, try to see it with your fingertips. A little bit of braille action. Now what we're gonna do is test our magic, see if it works. We will have to clear the code. It may not go away on its own. Okay, we're gonna clear that bad boy. Oh, this truck really should not be running for this, but oh well. If you're really looking to save time on installations, like reinstallations of things like this, just don't. Just leave it out. Yeah, get on in here. Join me. Welcome. Now, see what I'm working on. The hole that it's supposed to, and it just doesn't want to accept to now. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right, that does it. That wraps it up. That's all it is.